There's no competition in this, no winners or losers. It's all just for fun, which is all the reason I need. So today, I'm going to be here in California with Rocky. So Rocky, what are we doing here today and how are we doing it?
Well, we're shooting at exploding targets, and these are basically binary explosives. So you'll have two components that aren't explosive or dangerous by themselves at all. You mix them together and they become explosive.
First up is Rich. He's going to do a little laundry.
I'm watching for you, Dave.
I think it's safe to say he's separated his whites and his darks.
That was awesome. That thing really went up.
That was the super cycle.
This is my kind of housekeeping. I'm starting to get excited for my turn. But first, Archie's up. Archie is a massage therapist, so he knows a little something about stress release.
Why is it destruction so much fun?
It's just exciting. I mean, creation takes so long and it takes so much hours and energy, and this takes like a split second.
Archie's quarry, the elusive North American white refrigerator.
All right, baby. I can't find the damn thing. There it is. Got it.
What a majestic creature.
Nice job, Archie. Nice job. One shot defrost. Oh, that was awesome. It just went boom. So, Archie, what do you think's more therapeutic? Getting a nice deep tissue massage or blowing up a refrigerator?
Blowing up a refrigerator is taking the cake, I think.
Our next shooter is a first-timer.
So you've never done this before?
No.
I think you're going to like it. I can tell in your eyes that you're going to like it. I think you're mad that I'm still interviewing you and you're not shooting.
Everybody's got a little baggage, but Amy's discovered how to deal with hers. She set her sights on a suitcase stuffed with clothes and some explosives.
Whoa! Nice! That was very nice. Now you got to repack. She's doing the victory dance.
It's finally my turn. I wonder what my target's going to be. Keg of gunpowder? Maybe some artillery?
And what are we shooting today?
Well, we've got a bunny on a toilet down there for you.
Fine by me. I'm going to blow the crap out of this rabbit.
Should I feel bad about blowing up a bunny?
I never do.
He really flew. Woo! He really flew.
Looks like that bunny had some explosive diarrhea.
Dave 1, bunny 0.
It's hard to describe how awesome this feels.
Nice! Nice shot!
Few men get to realize all of their dreams during their lifetimes. I'm realizing all of mine in one day.
Well, you know, up till now, we've been detonating the half-pound targets and the one-pound targets, which have been a lot of fun. But now for the car, we're going to do the 5-pound target.
5 pounds.
5 pounds.
We're going to put this in a car, and we're going to explode the car.
That's right.
We're going to blow up a car. Somebody pinch me.
So how are we going to put this in there, Rocky?
You know what I'm thinking is, let's stick it right inside the door and duct tape it down so we can see the top. We'll shoot it right through the door. It's going to be fantastic.
2 of my favorite things, man. Duct tape and high explosive.
Again, don't try this at home. Rocky is an expert, and he's been doing this for years.
Rocky, you really have this down to a science. I mean, you've...
You know, safety's always the first priority. Yep. Having fun second, and cleaning up the mess when we're done is third. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That was really excellent.
We have to go look at that.
Yeah. This is the absolute worst episode of Pimp My Ride I've ever seen. How much fun was that? AAA? Yeah, you're well, you're not going to believe this one. No, I didn't even see the guy.
I'm honestly sad to see this day end. but at least I'll always have the memories.
Oh, what the?
Let me step back a little bit.
Hey, was that a capsule?
That was a little cap from the kick-ass targets. Oh yeah. I can't see. I'm liking these. Yeah, there's more.
Where?
There's one on the cap on that Budweiser bottle.
Budweiser can. Where? It's behind
It's ATX 1s, Ruger 1022. See what we can do. Oh, damn. That was nice. Holy That is nice. Kick-ass targets, ATX 1s. That's awesome. 1022. Yeah.